Hello, everyone. You might think a dead remote is only good for the bin, but I'll show you how to give it a completely new lease on life, saving you money and hassle. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming this unresponsive TV remote into a perfectly functioning device. I'm starting by opening the battery compartment of this stubborn remote. See these old batteries? They often corrode or simply lose their charge, which is a common culprit for unresponsive remotes. Next, I'll carefully pry open the remote's casing. It's crucial to be gentle here to avoid damaging the plastic clips. A small tool like this screwdriver works perfectly to gently separate the two halves without any breakage. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. With the casing open, I can now remove the internal components. First, the main circuit board, and then the rubber button pad. It's important to observe how these pieces fit together, as it will be key for reassembly later. Here's the rubber button pad. Over time, the conductive material on the back of these buttons can wear out or accumulate dirt, leading to poor contact and unresponsiveness. To confirm our diagnosis, I'll use a multimeter to check the voltage of these old batteries. Setting it to measure DC voltage, I'm carefully testing each battery. I'm checking the first battery. It jumps around a bit but settles at a healthy 1.36 volts. This tells me the battery itself isn't the problem. Let's check the second battery. Again, it shows a solid 1.29 volts. So, it's confirmed, the batteries are not drained. The power source is perfectly fine. Both are showing good voltage. This means the problem lies within the remote's mechanics or electronics, not its power source. Now for the cleaning phase. I'll be using some isopropyl alcohol. This is excellent for cleaning electronics because it evaporates quickly and leaves no residue behind. I'm dipping a cotton swab into the alcohol and gently cleaning the contact points on the circuit board. This removes any grime, dust, or corrosion that might be interfering with the electrical signals. Getting these points spotless is crucial for reliable performance, so take your time and be thorough. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. But what about those worn-out rubber buttons? This is where an unexpected hero comes in: toothpaste. Regular toothpaste can act as a mild abrasive and conductive agent to revitalize those tired button contacts. I'll apply a tiny dab of toothpaste onto the back of the rubber buttons, focusing on the ones that were giving us the most trouble. Then, I'll use a clean cotton swab to gently spread it, making sure to cover the conductive black pads evenly. After applying, I'm carefully wiping away any excess toothpaste with a paper towel. For the main power button, which often sees the most use, I'm going to enhance its conductivity. I used a USB cable to improve the conductivity of this button. Using pliers, I stripped the outer insulation of the cable to expose the small copper wires inside. These copper wires have good conductivity. They are thin and small, allowing them to fit snugly around the button without interfering when reassembling the remote control. I'll apply a tiny bit of super glue and carefully attach this directly onto the conductive pad on the back of the power button. This creates a much stronger and more reliable electrical contact, ensuring our power button responds every single time. Now that all our cleaning and minor repairs are done, it's time to put everything back together. I'm carefully placing the rubber button pad back into the front casing, ensuring all the buttons align properly. Then, the circuit board goes neatly on top, aligning with its mounting points. With the internal components securely in place, I'll snap the back casing onto the remote. Make sure you hear those satisfying clicks. Finally, I'm inserting brand new batteries. Fresh power for our revitalized remote. And now for the moment of truth. Let's test it out on the TV. Look at that. Instant response. Every button works perfectly, changing channels and adjusting the volume with ease. Our old unresponsive remote is now working like new again, all thanks to some simple DIY magic. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected repairs you'd like to see me tackle. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.